Hey guys, Vern, Jack of all trades, master of none, back with another awesome video for you today. Today we're going to unbox and assemble this Dyson Ball Animal 3 vacuum cleaner, all right? Let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get down here on the ground. I've opened up the box and started to take out some parts. And you can see what we have so far, all right? These pieces here. And let's go ahead and get the actual vacuum out of here. I'll get my instruction booklet and see. Okay, for assembly, lay the machine on its back. Attach the cleaner head by sliding it on to the connections on the lower front part of the ball. The cleaner head. And I guess this would be the head. So, if you look from the side, this kind of just goes from bottom up and slides in just like they said. That's what we did. So that's in. Now attach it, we did the head. Ensure the electrical plug on the cleaner head fits into the twin. Okay, hold on a second, guys. Ensure the electrical plug on the cleaner head fits into the twin block connection on the body of the machine, which is directly above the airway. Push firmly. The cleaner head will click into place. So we did that, but we can always go back and double check to make sure. I'm pretty sure my head clicked into place. Okay, we'll take a look underneath, make sure that's the click over here, and then we'll push it, set it back up and push it back in. There goes your click. All right, stand her up. And let's move on to the next item. Stand the machine upright. Attach the wand handle by sliding it onto the top of the machine. The spring clip in the handle will click into place. So everything is clicking into place. Okay. All right, let's turn this around. See if we can get a better view of what's going on here. Okay, so this is going to go in here. Okay, got to click there. Actually, so now that we have that in, we need to get the handle on, and I can continue with the instructions. Ensure the hose is straight. Press the purple button on the hose. All right. Oh, let's go back. The wand handle. Attach the wand handle by sliding it onto the top of the machine. And here we go. Slide it onto the top of the machine. And we're going to expect that to click into place right back here. Okay? And then I guess this would be next, but let's read that. Ensure the hose is straight. Press the purple button on the hose. Purple button? This looks red to me. Okay, slide the wand into the hose. Ensure the wand and hose sit in the recess of the handle. Slide the end of the wand down into the handle to secure it. All right. So let's see how this is done. So we want to be in here, and I think we want to face it this way. I'm pressing the red button. This button is red. Maybe it's supposed to be purple, but it's red. And there you go. Okay. Now this is set. Now let's see what's next. Close the wand cap. That's this. Slide the tool holder onto the side of the duct. Okay guys, now on the next item is going to be to slide the tool holder onto the unit. And to do that, we're gonna have to remove things. So let's take this out. I just push down on this button and pull it out to get this off. And then here's the tool holder. It's gonna be bottom down. You just kind of, let me turn it so you can see it. Just slide it down here. The back has it has a little clip back there. So just put it up against the body. Try to turn this so you can see it. See here? Put it up against the body. Move this out your way. Put it up against the body of this little groove and just push it down. And there you go. Then we can put this back. All right. Now, take your attachments, which are the two remaining pieces here. They're the only ones left. Carefully take this box out, this packaging. All right, get that out. Okay, here, right. You have these two attachments. So this can just go in here. I guess you can put it in whichever way you want to face it. So that's ready to go. And then we have this can go at the bottom down here. You just kind of slide it in there. Okay, here's your attachments. So we're all set up, and what I want to do now is I want to try the vacuum out. So let's unwind the wires. Let's just unravel this little twine. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I did not realize it was on. So here's the power button. Let's turn it. Okay guys, I'm gonna move this back. I want you to see this thing in action, a little bit of action. Have a little bit of we have a little bit of debris on the carpet, and now is a good opportunity to clean it up. So let me take my Dyson, and you just press down on it. And look at all that dirt. I can't believe it picked up all that dirt already. Wow, this thing is awesome, guys. This thing is just awesome. You've seen it right before your eyes. Look at all of that. I was looking at the little white specks that were on the ground, and look at all the other stuff it picked up.
Hey guys, that's going to do it for my review and assembly of this unit. If you can pick one up for yourselves, then I recommend it. Good for you. If you appreciate the content, please take a moment to like and subscribe to the channel. Oh, and you can take a further step and donate to the channel at your heart's content. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.